Sometimes buying accessories for your setup feels like gambling. You see something online that looks great, but there's a high chance that you'll receive straight drop-shipped junk. So after yet another disappointment, we asked ourselves, we've spent years designing and manufacturing premium keyboards. Can we do something about it? That's how Dygma Select was born, a curated selection of accessories we use daily and genuinely believe are worth your money and earning. Let's check them out. Before we start, full transparency. We didn't design these products, but we did thoroughly test dozens of them to bring you only those we deem worthy. We stand behind every Dygma Select product. They bear our brand, come with our 2-year warranty, meet our quality standards, and are packaged and shipped by us. From our heart to you. Let's address the big one first. What are those? We have prepared a set of articulated arms to set up your keyboard exactly how you want it, from 90-degree tenting to whatever you can think of. To use those arms, you need your keyboard to accept a 3/8-inch screw head. So we've designed an adapter pack that you can screw to the back of the Dygma Race 2 or the Dygma D5. You can use it with these arms or any other that have the standard 3/8-inch screw head. We also offer a lightweight yet sturdy laptop stand that rotates 360 degrees and can be set up at a high angle, ensuring your eyes are aligned with the top of the laptop's screen. And if you want something more portable, we have a super compact laptop stand that is easy to fold and unfold, so you can pack it in your backpack and set up shop in seconds. Next up, we have a modular USB hub. It has a detachable SD card reader and HDMI modules that you can assemble as you like. And for travelers, a compact USB hub. It has HDMI, a jack phone jack, a USB-A, a USB-C, and charging. Finally, a super sturdy headphone and backpack hanger for your table that supports anything that you put on it without flinching. You can check them all out at dygma.com/select. As part of the launch promotion, all items are 20% off. Of course, we didn't just randomly select these accessories. We attended fairs, visited factories, and tested dozens of products to bring you only those that we use daily. And indeed, we wouldn't be us if we didn't tell you why we selected each one of these and how they compare to everything else we tried. Get yourself comfortable and let's get started. Adaptor Puck Set. When we designed the D5 and the Race 2, we added 4 M3 screw holes on the back, so we could develop attachments later. This CNC machine aluminum pack is the first. It lets you mount your keyboard to tripods or camera arms using the standard 3/8-inch screw. Just like this. We tried quick release MagSafe style options, but they just weren't sturdy enough. However, even though the pack is super strong, we faced another issue. Most of the arms readily available are not suited for the job. Articulated arm set. They either use clamps that are not strong enough, the arms are flimsy and lose tension over time, or they don't allow full rotational freedom. So we decided to scour the world to find a solution. This articulated arm set meets the 2 criteria we were looking for: sturdiness and adjustability. It's composed of 2 suction cups, much stronger than clamps, and 4 13cm articulated arms with toric aluminum joints for 360 degrees rotation. These joints are significantly larger than those found in regular camera arms, ensuring they stay in position. With these arms, your setup adapts to you, not the other way around. You can turn the keyboard at any angle, including fully vertical, position the keyboard lower than your desk so that you can sit comfortably, turn the keyboard while having it lower, which reduces the need to sit higher, and position it closer to you so you can sit farther away from the monitor. We tried multiple arm combinations, including longer and shorter arms, but found this one to offer the perfect balance between sturdiness and customization. And yes, we asked the factory to replace the original bright green accents with black. Now let's move on to the 360-degree aluminum laptop stand. Our requirements for this were that it had to be lightweight, fully adjustable, and robust. Most of the designs met only the latter two criteria. Most were made of heavy steel, weighing over 1 kilogram. No joke, it is heavy. We found one on aluminum that we loved, but it had a fatal flaw. The hinges couldn't be tightened, so once they loosened, it was done. Really done. So we decided on a similar design with adjustable hinges, so it lasts. It rotates 360 degrees, lifts your laptop's screen to eye height, and is rock solid while only weighing 600 grams. This is something completely different. Of course, as lightweight as it is, this stand is not something that you take with you in your backpack. For that, you need something much lighter and smaller. A foldable laptop stand. However, most foldable laptop stands are pretty bulky, and even if you find a compact one, they are relatively complicated to set up and fold back. When you're on the go, you need something that you can put up and take away in a jiffy. That's why we chose this one. It's incredibly compact, weighs only 165 grams, and folds and unfolds in a matter of seconds. Plus, it looks really cool and minimal. Fold it. Throw it in your backpack, and done. Let's check now one of my favorite items, the Modular USB Hub. I cannot overstate how much I hate dangling USB hubs. The one we chose attaches directly to the laptop, but avoids the usual trade-offs like this that are too small. It has all the ports you need. 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, one of them is for power delivery, and an HDMI port, an SD card reader. But the HDMI and the SD modules are detachable. You can remove either to make the USB hub much smaller, gain a third USB-C port, or use them separately. And then you just put it back. On the pros, on the cons. To complete the lineup, we also have a super compact USB hub that's ideal for your tablet or phone. It has all the basics. 1 HDMI, 1 USB-A, 2 USB-C, one for charging, and an important detail, a headphone jack, because phones don't come with headphone jacks anymore. Apple. It's the most complete compact hub that we have found, and one of its sides is transparent, allowing you to see the electronics. Call me nostalgic, but I miss transparent gadgets. Finally, there is the headset and backpack hanger. Most desk hangers are plastic or have weak spring clamps. This one is made of aluminum and features a strong, reliable manual clamp. The bottom hinge rotates 360 degrees, so you can have the headset up front and the backpack tucked under the table. If your backpack currently lives on the floor and your headset is just lying on the desk, this will feel like a luxury upgrade every single day. And that's Dygma Select. We tested dozens of accessories and kept only the ones that are genuinely worth it, because thoughtful design and good ergonomics doesn't have to stop at the keyboard. Check them all out at dygma.com/select. Remember, there's 20% off during launch. Let us know what you think of this, or if there's any other accessory you'd like us to add. And don't forget to tell us how you plan to use these articulated arms. See you soon! I'm gonna take this!